off Gresham Road. Demolition. Take a look at what we got going on. Check it out. 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Starting off here in the living room, sitting room, kitchen. As you can see, when we come in here, it was filled with furniture, like usual. How lovely. So we started taking out some furniture here. Now we're gonna get to the breakdown. Start from the back of the building, ripping up the carpets. We're taking out all the ceilings, all the walls, and we're leaving the flooring, but we're taking out the bathroom. This is the half a bathroom, Jack and Jill style. Second bedroom here. We're gonna come through, dismantle all of the carpet, take out the carpet, take out the walls, baseboards, door trimming, door frames. Day one, here off of Gresham Road. This is how it looks so far. Yours truly, www.blandshauling.com. Stay tuned.